Hi, my name is Kev and I'm from The Phenomenal. Today I'm going to bring you to the edge of Singapore, North Shore. And in this particular episode, it's all about if size matters. So basically the owner, right, lives in Hong Kong, and this particular unit actually is about 47 meters squared. And the main thing is she wanted to have like a hotel feel. The first thing that comes into my mind is Muji Hotel. That's something that I always wanted to create, where everything is cladded, everything is covered up without any wall scene. So actually you've seen this, right? This is actually a household shelter. We actually conceal it up. Right, there you go. And over here, remember, this is actually a DB box.
Yep.
So with the DB box, it's a typical white carpentry.
Correct.
Right? So what we did here is,
wow,
we changed the
extra
internal.
storage
Yep.
space.
And then, most importantly, the mirror. Don't you think it's solid? Yeah.
Yep, I can do this every day.
Okay, if you send all this whole entire household shelter is actually clad, and look at the curve. It's all nicely done. Okay.
Beautiful.
Yep. So even for the switches, right, she wanted to be consistent with the color tonality. So what we have chosen is, for this particular brand, Legrand, we chosen a champagne tone. Okay. And the next thing is the lightings. So the lighting wise, she wanted a bit more cozy, something more homely kind of feel, and yet at times you're able to brighten up the whole entire place. And actually, if you notice, we have a lot of curvature coming in, even for the study table, and all the way to the TV. There isn't any window. That's something she wants. She wanted to be pitch black, even during the day.
Okay.
Okay? And coming towards this whole entire area is for her to host. Okay? She practiced a lot of tea, what do you call that, practices kind of thing, you know. So she tends to have tea session with friends, and she wanted to be hosted like on a little platform. And this particular platform is actually part of her sleeping area.
I see. So where do she sleeps?
She'll sleep here, and she'll keep all her mattresses, everything inside this concealed area. And to double up, if friends who actually comes over, this is the actual additional mattress that she has prepared. Okay.
Extra space.
Correct.
That's nice.
So part of the whole entire carpentry, you've seen we have a lot of hidden drawers and more drawers.
Mostly big drawers.
Yeah. Okay. And you notice that this little black glass flip down is mainly for your system. If you guys who actually love to play games and know home theater, this is the one that we actually will be able to get your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything to be beamed through. Okay, so that's why we actually have it a bit more transparent, but in the tinted form. So coming here, if you notice, there's actually a wardrobe. And just a step away, you're entering the kitchen. Okay, this kitchen is something that I really love. The fun thing is, you know, we have a hidden table, we have a dishwasher. You're actually coming in here, you have actually a wine fridge. And not to forget the induction and the oven. Okay? So these are calculated dimension to fit in all the appliances in this particular unit. So we cannot screw up the dimensions. Okay. So everything has to be flush. If you notice, this is an under mount sink. So having it underbouncing is you don't get any protrusion up at the top. Okay, if you notice, I guess everyone will start to ask, where's the kitchen window? So the kitchen window is actually behind here.
Wow. I almost wanted to sing a Marikita, yeah.
Okay, there you go. Okay, I mean, coming into all this window and concealment, yes, it's going to be pitch black, no doubt. But this is the actual client requirement. Okay, so light isn't her thing. She loves darkness. She just loves something more warm, something more pleasing, and I guess it's more welcoming for her.
I see. So, where do she dine in?
Please perform.
Me?
Yes, you perform.
How come it's me? So where?
Here.
This?
There you go.
Oh wow. Oh. How come I perform?
Yes. Okay. So I guess you can bring the chairs in. So there you go. Okay. So this is actually a real life usable table. Okay, it's easily to have 6, 7 packs, and of course, as a host, I won't be sitting down. I'll be hosting, and clearly you can see there's another one more here, and myself. So 10 people will not be an issue.
Okay. Nice size, nice hidden table.
Yeah. So the main thing is, she loves to host, but she just doesn't love to cook. So that's why we notice it's just purely induction cooker. So, but for her, key feature about the kitchen, she needs to host about 10 packs. Okay, so basically this is like the reason why she wants to shade it off is also a wet sun. If you notice, this is the wet sun coming in. So why having it total darkness is something very important for her. Come, let's put it up. Okay, so look at the difference being concealed and open. And we have come to the end of this whole entire renovation journey. Drop us a comment, okay, if you think size really matters.